Welcome to Compare Foods TV. Fly Ty and Jacinda here, and June is the month for dads. Yes, we want to say happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there. I mean, dads are super special. My dad, he was born and raised in the Dominican Republic, and really I have so many memories. Oh my gosh, he taught me to be the woman I am today. He helped me to be responsible. He always helped me with my alarm clock and saying, when that alarm goes off, you hit it and you get up and get ready. So he really is super special to me. But Fly Ty, you are a dad.
Absolutely. What great memories you got to share with your dad, Jacinda. But I often say my greatest achievement is being a father. Maybe you have a stepdad or that special male in your life who's a role model, and he played the role of a dad. We want to celebrate all the fathers this month with those very special memories. One great way to do that is by maybe getting a gift certificate right here to Compare Foods and maybe having him throw something on the grill.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's why we're here, because we're gonna pick up some charcoal before we leave, because here's the thing, it's all about spending time with your dad and creating those memories and creating those moments. So what makes your dad special to you? The best way to show him is by putting in some quality time with him. And what about if your dad lives far away though, Fly Ty?
If your dad stays far away, maybe you can buy him his favorite meal and send it to him and then watch him eat it on a Zoom call. But it's really all about fathers spending time with the ones that they love. And that's what we want you to do this June. And hey, I know what I'll be spending my time doing. I'm going to be on the grill. That's right, Jacinda. You know it's so important to spend time with family. We right here at Compare Foods, we are all about family. So celebrate with your father this June.
Yeah, cook a good meal, because we're definitely going to celebrate dads, but we're also going to show up and eat.
That's right.
Fly Ty and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV.
From our family to yours, happy Father's Day.